A failed turbo can leave your truck down on power, burning excess oil, or blowing unwanted smoke. Doesn't matter if you drive a Ford, GM, or Dodge Ram, a worn-out turbo is more than just a nuisance. It's a performance killer. Inside the box, you'll find the XDP Xpressor Turbocharger, which can be new or remanufactured depending on your application. Also included are the necessary gaskets and seals for proper installation. In some kits, you'll also get mounting hardware so you don't need to reuse the existing fasteners. Each XDP Xpressor Turbo goes through 100% functional end-of-line testing for full RPM sweep. Additional testing includes burst test validation, hot gas stam testing, noise, vibration, and harshness analysis, hydraulic and pneumatic leak testing. These OE-style units are made for a bolt-on installation and backed by a 2-year unlimited mileage warranty. Whether your original turbo failed from oil contamination, excessive heat, or lack of lubrication, the Xpressor Turbo is built to deliver reliable service life. The XDP Xpressor Turbocharger is a direct-fit OE-style replacement designed to restore factory performance and reliability in your diesel truck. Find the right model for your truck at xdp.com or contact the local dealer near you.